Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D models with AutoCAD for exercise number 5. Okay, open your new drawings. I will click here and we can choose a cut I show template. The next in here I will create circles, start from this point and we can set radius into 45. We create again a circle with a radius of 40 and then I will create circle with a radius of 15. You can orbit these objects and I will use extrude tools to extrude these objects to the bottom here. Okay, I will use ortho mode and we can extrude about 5. We can press enter. We can extrude again this object to the top. I will set into 70. The next we extrude these objects to these points and I will move these objects to the bottom here. Okay, we can active ortho mode and click at this point. We can use subtract tools to subtract these objects to objects with these objects. Okay, now you can change into top view and we can create line. Start from center point into here and I will move this line object to the top. We can set into 30. Use a slice command to slice this object from these points into here. Next, you can select this line object and also this object. Press delete button, so it will be erased. I will create circle. Start from these points. Okay, we can set for radius into 10. Create again at this point. We can set into 10 for radius, and at this point we can set into 5. Okay. Can use extrude tools to extrude these 3 circles objects into here. Now we subtract again these objects with this cylinder object. You can press enter to apply, so it will be subtract. You can change into realistic view or set with edge to view. Okay, the next we can create hole in here. Okay, but first we can change into front view. And I will create circles. Start from this point. We can set for radius into 10. You can move this circle object to the top and we can set into 30. You can press enter. Use extrude tools to extrude this circle object. Okay, we can extrude this circle objects to these directions. Can click and you can use a union command to combine between these 2 objects. You can press enter, so it will be automatically combined. Now finally I will use a solid edit command. You can tap solid edit, enter, click body and choose shields. We can select these objects. You can select at this face and also we can select at this face. Okay, you can press enter. And we can set for seal offset into 4. You can press enter again. Enter again to exit. Okay, we already sealed these objects with 4. You can press F7 to hide curve, and you can change face trace into 10 to look more smooth for a cube. Okay, now we can use fillet edge. You can tap fillet edge. You can press enter. We can select at this edge. Right click and I will choose loop. We can click at this point, accept. Okay, we select again this edge, accept. The next at this edge, accept in here, accept. Okay, at this point, accept in this edge, accept, and also at this point. The last we create in here. You can click next and you can click accept. You can press enter to apply. Okay, we already give a radius in this edge with fillet command. Okay, enough today for AutoCAD exercise number 5, how to create 3D modeling with basic command. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.